Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to name a location on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps. If you have already some location pinned, click at the profile icon at the right side, but let me right now just pin some location. Let's say this one, and let's pin it. Now close it, then profile icon, places, and or pin it, or you can find in recently added. But let's click at the pin it. So right here we have this location. Click at the information icon near to it, and at the first line in the label we have the name. So click at this line, remove the old name, and add something like something new. Let's say test. You can also change the type if you want to. So you can do this your home or some address. Then check mark, and now we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.